Drones can help spray crop protection products like pesticides and insecticides efficiently and safely. But to do this, you'll need to follow some rules and tips to do it right. First of all, check if it's a good day to perform a drone application. Wind speed should be less than 2 meters per second. Temperature should be 30 degrees. Humidity should be more than 50%. Avoid obstacles in the field, such as buildings, people, water bodies, beehives, nests, trees. And inform your neighbours and beekeepers near your farm. Now let's set up our drones for spray. Number 1. Select nozzle. Use the right nozzle to get the right droplet size and spray pattern. Here are some nozzles that will give you different droplet sizes. XR1101. This is the standard nozzle that comes with the drone. It provides the smallest droplet size. It is best for reaching the top of the crop, but is most susceptible to drift. Take care when using it in windy conditions. TT11001. This nozzle gives slightly less droplets per area. It has a medium droplet size that will help with the canopy penetration to reach deeper sections of the crop. It is drift reducing. Number 2. Check drone. Make sure the drone is in working order. Load your drone with water and test it for the first 5 minutes to check whether it is working well. Check each nozzle to ensure that there are no blockages and the spray pattern is uniform. Number 3. Prepare pesticide. Do not eat, drink or smoke, and always wear gloves when you are handling the mixture. Follow the label recommendations on your product. Pay special attention to the PPE requirement when you are mixing. Carefully measure out the amount of product required based on the volume of water. To avoid waste, only make enough spray solution for the area you want to spray. Make sure the pesticides are fully dissolved in water before loading into the tank. Always use pre-mixed formulations if available. Check compatibility if mixing 2 products. They might not go well together. All done? Now you're ready to fly. Remember to wear the recommended PPE when you enter the field. Keep the drone away from water sources to avoid environmental contamination. Make sure nobody is in your field. Keep 5 meters distance between yourself and drone. Stand against the wind direction so that the spray droplets are not flying towards you. Control your drone so it is flying at 1.5 to 2 meters above target crop and its flying speed should be less than 6 meters per second. Avoid obstacles and sensitive areas you have mapped out earlier. Done with the job? Last 3 points to remember. Put up clear signs to warn people against entering the field. Wait 1 day before re-entering the field. Triple rinse empty pesticide bottles and dispose them according to local laws. Store your products in a locked box or away from people, animals and food. Any residual spray solutions or waste liquid should be mixed with water and sprayed back onto your field, not rivers or drains. Wash the drones outside. Triple rinse the drone thoroughly and ensure each nozzle is fully flushed through with clean water. Lastly, don't forget to take a shower before you step back into your home.